Stop by and take a look at the 2022 S-Class. The S-Class is perhaps the only car in the world that doesn't aspire to be something else. The S-Class is a super comfortable and agile luxury sedan. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, panorama sunroof, rear window defroster, navigation system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.